Let's talk about lawyer marketing made easy. Today, we're going to get into my 5-step DIY process, just the easy way for lawyer marketing. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Dustin Sanchez at DustinSanchezTV.com, your lawyer marketing expert. My lawyer marketing agency helps attorneys with their search engine optimization, content marketing, Facebook ads, paid advertisement, YouTube, blogging, you name it. If you need to get clients to your law firm really freaking fast, hit me up at DustinSanchezTV.com. And today we're talking about my 5-step process, lawyer marketing made easy. Okay, now, of course, if you're doing lawyer marketing on your own and you're not an internet expert like myself, your process is going to be a bit different. But I have written down here just 5 easy things that I advise any of my clients to do on their own, in addition to everything I already do for them. And the easiest way for any attorney to help themselves get clients. Okay, and day one, all of my clients get this Google Doc. I call it the Google My Business Optimizations sheet. And the first thing on that sheet tells them, go get 100 Google reviews on your Google My Business listing. Okay, and let me just show you. I'm going to bring in another screen here. Make this a bit bigger. Okay, if you go to my website, DustinSanchezTV.com/100-Google-reviews, or you can just go to Google and do a Google search for Dustin Sanchez 100 Google reviews. Okay, I wrote this article. It tells you step by step how to go get your first 100 Google reviews on your Google My Business listing in the Google Maps. Okay, this is extremely important because 70% of all the clicks in the Google search results come from the Google Maps listing. Okay, and one of the easiest ways to game that system is to go get Google reviews on your Google My Business website. Okay, and this article here is just I think it's like a 6-step article. It tells you how to do that ethically and within Google's terms of service. Okay, ethically as in accordance with whatever your state bar advertising rules may be, and in accordance with Google's terms of service. Okay, many times I have seen my own lawyer marketing clients go get 100 Google reviews and the calls just start coming in like that. And we do nothing else. Just that first week, hey, share this little short link. I show you in this article how to create an easily shareable link. And I say, text message this, Facebook message this, Instagram message this to all of your friends, family, the people you went to law school with, the people you have worked with in the past, old clients, current clients. Ask them to leave you a recommendation or a review, what have you. The point is, go get 100 Google reviews really freaking fast. Okay, if you want to know the details behind this, just come read this ad. Okay, it's called, come read this article. It's called How to Get Your First 100 Google Reviews. Again, you can just go to google.com and do a Google search for Dustin Sanchez, how to get your first 100 Google reviews. Okay. Number 2. Okay, that's like the first and easiest thing for any attorney to do if you're going to do some kind of do-it-yourself program for this lawyer marketing made easy plan. The second thing you need to do is this: make one video per week. Make one video per week on YouTube. Okay, and I have several articles that show you people who have done this and how you can mimic their plan. You can just go to my website, or you can search Dustin Sanchez, Jerry Oginski, sorry. And this is an article, an interview I did with Jerry Oginski, just a little side-by-side interview.
And 2 or 3 years later, I'm looking around wondering, where am I getting my cases from?
Okay, Jerry Oginski is a personal injury attorney in New York. He built his entire thriving practice with YouTube videos. Okay. And this video tells you his entire process. Okay. Exactly how he did it. Sorry about that. This video tells you his entire process, just exactly how he did it. Go to my website and do a Google search for Dustin Sanchez, Jerry Oginski video. Okay. Or you can just find this in my blog articles. Or you can go to my website, click on articles, scroll down here, and in the sidebar, you'll see something like lawyer marketing videos. Click on those and you can see all the people I've interviewed. Okay. Or you can do a Google search for Dustin Sanchez TV lawyer marketing show, and it will show you all the people I've interviewed. But you'll want to look at Jerry Oginski and just mimic his process. It takes almost zero technical knowledge. It's just a matter of pulling out your cell phone, talking to your cell phone about whatever kind of law you practice for 60 seconds, and then uploading that to a YouTube channel, and then sharing that video to your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Don't ask me how this works or why it works. Any attorney that starts doing this on a regular weekly basis starts getting more clients than they can handle. Okay. Now, maybe you don't love YouTube. Maybe you're more of a social media, Facebook, Instagram person. Then, if that's the case, you can go to my website and see this interview I did with Angela Langlotz here. Okay. This is me. This is my buddy Shannon Quadros from law school. We interviewed Angela Langlotz, the trademark doctor. Okay, she's a trademark lawyer out of Dallas, Texas. She built her entire practice with Facebook live videos and social media videos. Kind of the same process as Jerry Oginski. It's just Jerry Oginski preferred the YouTube platform. Angela Langlotz preferred the social media platforms. But if you watch both of these videos, you'll notice some commonalities, and that is frequency of publish. Every day, or at least every week, pull out your little cell phone, talk to your cell phone about the kind of law you practice, upload that to some program like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok, and then share that video to all of your friends and family on social media. Don't ask me how or why this works. Right now, you're thinking to yourself, there's no way that could work for me because enter excuse here. Trust me, it will work. This is the most powerful do-it-yourself marketing tactic for attorneys. If you do something like this and you get into it and you do it weekly and you stay consistent, you'll start getting clients quickly and you'll never need to hire someone like me. Okay, so number one was get 100 Google reviews as fast as possible. There is this article on my website that shows you exactly how to do that. Number two is just every week, make a video, upload it to YouTube or some other platform like Facebook or Instagram or whatever platform happens to be popular by the time you're watching this video. Okay, do that consistently and your firm's going to grow. Okay, and you can go to my website, look at the video I did with Jerry Oginski on that, or you can look at the video I did with Angela Langlotz on that. That tells you exactly how to do that. Everything you need to know. You don't need to be very technically savvy to make videos. Okay, and number three, once you're making some kind of video and uploading it to something like YouTube, some kind of repository, somewhere where it would be stored, number three would be to go live on Facebook and Instagram. Like they have stories, Facebook stories, Instagram stories. Then TikTok got popular. Then they came out with Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Between making a major video, something like a 3-minute video that you're uploading to something like YouTube, just pull out your phone and go live in your Facebook stories or your Instagram stories and just kind of chronicle your life as an attorney 15 seconds at a time, 2 or 3 times a week on your Facebook stories. You know, talk about a divorce case you're handling, talk about a trademark you're filing, talk about a DWI client or DWI scenario. Like, do you really have to stop at these DWI checkpoints? You know, what are the consequences of refusing a sobriety test? Talk about that for 15 seconds on Facebook Live like this as an attorney. Just chronicle your life as a reality television show as an attorney inside of your Facebook stories, your Instagram stories, or on TikTok. Trust me, it works. I can't tell you why. I just know any of my clients that do it, their business takes off. Okay. So, number one, get 100 Google reviews as fast as possible. Number two, make about a 2-minute, 3-minute video, upload it to YouTube or Facebook. Number three, go live 15 seconds at a time on your social media, talking to the world about your life as an attorney. Okay. Number four is start a video podcast. Now, what I mean by that, if you look right now, you're watching a video of me, and it's just me talking to you one-on-one, right? You're watching a video, it's just me. So of course, I'm going to share this video with my audience, but that's all the traction it's going to get, okay? Now, we got this video. When I made this video with me, Shannon Quadros, attorney Shannon Quadros, and attorney Angela Langlots, of course, I shared the video with my audience, but Shannon shared the video with his audience, and Angela shared the video with her audience. I got 3 times the reach for the same amount of work, okay? 3 times as many people know that I'm a lawyer marketing expert because I made this video than if I had just made one video of myself like I'm doing right now. So what I'm advising every attorney to do is start some kind of weekly or bi-weekly or even monthly interview show, okay? And let me get a book for you. It's called Traffic Secrets, right? And inside of Traffic Secrets, there is a method called the Dream 100 method. I've actually page marked it with a little tab. I don't know if you can see that. It says Dream 100. The Dream 100 method described in this Traffic Secrets book, which is a free book. Just Google Traffic Secrets free book and you can get that book, or I think it's also on my website. Let me just pause the video. I'll show you where you can find it on my website. Okay, so we're back. This is my homepage, DustinSanchezTV.com. If you scroll down, you can see the sidebar. Here's a little bio about me in the sidebar right there. Talking about how I practice law, became a lawyer marketing expert. You get past the contact. Then you see this in the sidebar. It's called Marketing Guides. And then it says top marketing books you need to read. Number 1, Traffic Secrets. It's free. If you go click this link, okay, you click that link, it's free plus shipping. If you pay that shipping, I'm going to get like $1 or so from your affiliate payout. Or you can pay $19 for it on Amazon, and I think they'll ship it to you free if you have Amazon Prime. In any case, click right here. It's free plus shipping. Again, it's this Traffic Secrets book, and there's a lot of great information if you're an online marketing expert to read in this book. But if you're a lawyer, you'll want to focus on this Dream 100 section, okay? And then once you do that, do exactly like you see me doing. Write down 100 other attorneys or other people in your city that you would want to bring on your show and just interview them on your show. Now, you're going to share it with your social media platform, but they're going to also share it with their social media platform, and you're going to gain visibility. You're going to become known as the divorce lawyer in your town, or you're going to become known as the car accident lawyer in your town because more and more people are going to see this, okay? Plus, it's a way to scale your networking, okay? Why is it important to scale your networking? Well, because you can only go to so many happy hours, and you go to a happy hour, you might talk to 12 attorneys. But if you sit in the comfort of your home office like I'm doing, and you're just Zoom interviewing attorneys, you're scaling your networking. And now maybe when this attorney you just had a 20-minute interview with contacts you, maybe they refer business to you. You know, this Dream 100 helps all kind of ways, okay? It's a way to scale your networking from the comfort of your own home. It helps you to reach a larger audience because whoever you bring on your network you're going to make a video, you're going to upload that video to YouTube, you're going to send them the YouTube link, they're going to share it on their own social media platform, and you get more reach that way. Okay. And then thirdly, it kind of helps you become the expert in your space, which makes everything easier in terms of marketing and sales for attorneys. So let's recap where we've been so far. Number one, get 100 Google reviews as fast as possible. Number two, make one video per week, upload it to YouTube, about 2 to 3 minutes, talking about what you do for a living. Number three, go live weekly, once or twice a week, 15 seconds at a time. Pull out your cell phone, go live on your own personal Instagram or your own personal Facebook. Number four, start an interview show. I call it a podcast. It's not really a podcast because you're using video, whereas podcast is just audio. However, if you use a software like I use called BeLive.tv, BeLive.tv, you can just download the video and the audio. You can upload the video to your YouTube. You can upload the audio to some kind of podcast account. But the point is, interview other people in your space so that you can share their audience. Okay, it's win-win for both people. They get to look like an expert because you brought them on your show. You get more reach because they're going to share with their audience and your audience. Okay, it actually works so well, I started bringing more than one person at a time on my show. Okay, that's why you saw that me, Shannon, and Angela Langlots. Also, you can do that with Zoom. Everyone's using Zoom today, and you can just do a Zoom interview as well. Okay, so number five, let's get to number five, and that is this. Hire an intern, like a law student. I went to University of Houston Law Center. They have a job board called Simplicity. Whenever I need someone to do some kind of work for my marketing agency, I just hire an intern off of there. Okay, and what I'm going to tell you to do is hire an intern to turn all of your videos into blog articles. Let me show you what that looks like in practice. Lawyer marketing is largely all about content. Okay, you need video content and lots of it. And as long as you're making all this video content, why not reuse your content, repurpose your content? If you look at my YouTube channel, you go to Dustin Sanchez, just go to Google and Google Dustin Sanchez YouTube channel or Dustin Sanchez Marketing YouTube channel. I have this video. It's called Repurpose Your Content. I'll click on it here. But it shows you exactly how to do what I'm telling you. Make videos, have someone turn those videos into blog articles. It's as easy as hiring an intern and telling her or him, hey, turn this video into a blog article, upload it to my WordPress website. Now you've got video content. Now you have blog article content. So you're hitting both the YouTube search engine, which is like the number 2 or 3 search engine in the world, and you're hitting the Google search engine with your blog articles, which is like the number 1 search engine in the world. And you now have other pieces of content to share to your personal Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Why do I keep saying share to your personal Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn? It is because of this. If you're like most attorneys, your own friends and family don't even know what you do for a living. And because of that, they cannot refer business to you because they don't even know what kind of law you practice or that you do practice law. So you at least want to be getting the low-hanging fruit. And what that means is sharing content to your own friends and family on your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever. And that's very easily done if you just take these videos, upload them to YouTube, share the YouTube videos, okay? Also, take these YouTube videos, turn them into blog articles. You don't have to do that yourself, although you can do that yourself. This video right here shows you exactly how to do it. It's called, I'll make this a bit bigger. Just go to my YouTube channel, look for a video called Repurpose Your Content to Get More Clients. And this video tells you exactly how to do that, okay? How to turn your YouTube videos into blog articles. Then you can also share those blog articles to your social media and you just get more bang for your buck, okay? So let's review my 5-step plan one more time. Number one, I think the biggest bang for the dollar, the easiest thing for all of attorneys to do, just go get 100 Google reviews. Right now you're saying, Dustin, I don't have clients to review me. Okay, well, call it a recommendation, call it a character reference, whatever you want. Get 100 things on your Google My Business listing. Okay, I show you how to do that. Just rewatch this video and go read the blog article where I show you how to do that. Number two, upload one video per week to YouTube. That video should be about 2 to 3 minutes long. All you have to do is just talk about the law, talk about what you do for a living. For example, if you're a bankruptcy attorney, one video might be, how much does a Chapter 7 bankruptcy cost in Harris County or whatever county you're in? The next week, you might make a video about what's the difference between a Chapter 11 and a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. The next week, you might make a video about what is a Chapter 12 bankruptcy for farmers, something like that. Just talk about what you do for a living. And if you're kind of confused on exactly how do I do this, go watch my Jerry Oginski interview or go watch my Angela Langlot's interview. Both of those are on my website. Tells you exactly how to do what I'm telling you. Number three, go live on Facebook and Instagram in your Instagram stories. You don't have to go live, but 15 seconds at a time. Talk to your phone in your Instagram stories, in your Facebook stories, in your Instagram reels for 15 seconds at a time. Just tell the world what you do for a living. Chronicle your life as an attorney. Talk about the things you're doing as an attorney throughout the week. Okay, number four, start some kind of a video interview show, video podcast show. You can use Zoom or you can use BeLive.tv, which is what I use. Very easy to use, very user-friendly. And just in accordance with the Dream 100 described in this Traffic Secrets book, which you can get in the sidebar on my homepage at DustinSanchezTV.com. Just interview 100 people in your city. Talk about what you do for a living. And of course, the easiest thing for you to do is just find lawyers that maybe you went to law school with, bring them on your show, talk about some interesting topic. Or if you're like a divorce attorney, maybe you know some kind of relationship doctor, bring that relationship doctor on your show, talk about relationships in the year, whatever we're in as you're watching this video. The reason that's important is because not only are you going to share it with your audience, they're going to share it with their audience. The whole thing is described right here in Traffic Secrets. The Dream 100 could really be the sole thing you do for marketing, and that could turn your whole life around. Okay. Number five, hire an intern either from your own law school or go on something like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. Just hire someone at very low cost to turn your YouTube videos into blog articles. Upload those blog articles to your WordPress website or whatever you use for a website, and then share those blogs along with the video content as well. Okay, and that is my 5-step plan. I'm Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com, lawyer marketing expert. Right about here, I'm going to put my free e-course. Okay, what's working now in lawyer marketing? It kind of gets into all of this from a do-it-yourself perspective. What's working now in lawyer marketing? I recommend every attorney go download that free e-course. You can get it at DustinSanchezTV.com/now. I didn't really know what to title it. I titled it Lawyer Marketing Secrets, so it would kind of be clickbait-y, but really it's just all about what's working now in lawyer marketing. That's why you can get it at www.DustinSanchezTV.com/now. Until then, I'm Dustin Sanchez. Like the video, share the video, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Peace out.